I created this channel for the love of tech out of the passion that I have for technology. I love mobile technology. I love smart home technology. I love headphone technology. I love all these things. And as a consumer myself, I thought if I could create a channel, put some product reviews and unboxings out there and let people take a look at something before they actually spent their money on it, and that information was useful, could help them maybe save some money, prevent them from making a mistake, and I can have some fun in the process, I figure that's a win-win for everyone. But today, there is no review. Today, there is no unboxing. You're here today because I'm giving stuff away for free. If you are a return customer, welcome back. I am totally excited that you are here and you keep coming back to watch my videos. If you are new and this is your first time here at the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell so you know when future videos come out. Since the beginning of this channel, For the Love of Tech has always been about giving back to the community and you, the viewers. Every time we do a giveaway, the channel grows just a little bit more, and that's what we're trying to do this time. We're trying to get over the 10,000 subscriber hump. That's where you come in. Just for watching my videos and subscribing to the channel, you are automatically going to be entered into the giveaway. All you have to do is click the Gleam link below. I know I said I wasn't going to do a giveaway for a while after the last one, but I got a problem. My problem is I ordered one too many OnePlus 6Ts, and I figured instead of letting it sit on the shelf collecting dust like it is now, I would just give it away to my amazing subscribers and viewers. How do the giveaways work? There's a few different ways, so hang on, let me explain it. It'll all make sense towards the end. First, we have the old school way of getting a giveaway entry. Watch the videos, I call out a Roman numeral, you crawl down into the comments, write out the Roman numeral number as Roman numerals, dash, and then leave me the comment. It's typically answering a question that I asked within the video, but you gotta watch the video from start to finish to find out what that Roman numeral is. The new way of doing it is with the Gleam link below. Go ahead, click on that link, follow the prompts, enter, get registered, and have some fun. So after you get to the Gleam link, bookmark it, keep checking back for more ways to enter. I keep updating, adding, and even adding more prizes as we get closer to the time of the giveaway. So far for the prizes, we have the OnePlus 6T, that's prize number 1. Prize number 2 is a Google Home Mini, what I bought around Christmas time, but didn't really do anything with, still in the wrapper, brand new, and it's gonna be yours. Prize number 3 is OV Pro Loop Headphones. I did an unboxing and a slight review on those just a couple months ago. Go ahead and check them out. I will put a link in the description so you can go ahead and check out that video for yourself. Lastly, social media shares. What is a social media share? You go ahead and take any of the videos starting in January up until now, share it on your social media, take a screenshot of it after you share that video, and then you send it to me. You can take multiple videos, multiple screenshots, one email, send it to contact me at the4theloveoftech.com. You have all the way up until March 31st to get entries into the giveaway. At that point, I will take all of the entries, put them into the random picker program that I use every single giveaway, and I randomly pick the winners. Let's go ahead and get started on those entries right now. Let me get a Roman numeral 7863 dash and tell me what you love the most about the OnePlus 6T. If you don't know anything about the phone, I will link the video in the description and you can check it out, my unboxing and my complete review of the OnePlus 6T. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. For the love of tech, namaste.